Guys, like as I was saying, this is the train station and this is the overhead bridge to go to the other side of the city, actually to the main city where the main city is. So I'm coming to walk, climb these stairs and go up and go to the other side. This is overhead footbridge. Behind me. If you guys can see, yes, that is a space for bicycle. So just park your bicycle when you come to the train station. You park your bicycle, you take the train, you go. And when you come back, you take the train and you take your bicycle and you go home. That's just space for bicycle. If you watch your other side here, this is a bus park where the bus come, stand. Yeah, let's climb and see more of Zwolle. This is top of the footbridge here in Zwolle. As you can see, guys. This is a car away to go over the other side. This is for car, and here is for foot, people that are walking. This is the train line. This is the train line. Side here is for bicycle. That's the pavilion, the train pavilion where people stand to wait for train. As you can see, boss. So amazing how these guys clean here. Guys, just take a look. One train is coming in. Take a look and see. The train is coming in. Into the train station. You see there, it's coming and it's going out. This is the train station of Zwolle in the Netherlands. This is the continuation of the footbridge. As you can see, there is inside of the train station. But I'll take you guys down there. I'll soon go down there and show you guys. As you can see, down the train station. But I'll take you guys inside there and walk with you guys. So as you can see, come from this side of the footbridge. And now we are at the other side of the city. Coming down the stairs. This is the other side of the city. Yeah. So guys, you see, just come down this footbridge. Like I said, this is the Zwolle Train Station. And this is the station. This is the front side of the station. I'll just walk with you guys. I'll let you guys see the front and this is the front side of the train station, guys, of Zwolle. As you can see the name there, Zwolle. It has this nice I don't know which statue is this. Torbeche. Okay, so guys, let's go inside and show you. That's the main entrance. People come. You can also enter from this side. That is Starbucks there. You can enter also from this side. Here you can take passport picture. These booths, you can take passport picture. You go inside, pay money and take passport picture in here. Of course, you can buy your snacks. This is one of the sites of the train station, as you guys can see. But I'm going to enter the other side. Here you can get information about the tickets. You can enter here to take the train. And down here is for bicycles. Down here is for bicycles. I've never been down here. Let me just go down here and see. I've never been down here. Wow. This is the bicycle garage in Zwolle. This is bicycle garage in Zwolle. All this is for bicycle. You come and park your bicycle here and you go up and take the train. The train station is above. You come here, park your bicycles, and you go above. All here you see. These are people who are riding the train. They come here, they leave their bicycles. See, it's just a bicycle city. You can walk with no end in sight. All what you see is bicycle rack, bicycle rack. Yeah. Bicycle rack, bicycle, all these people who are going to work, school, doing other things in life, they come here, park their bicycle, and they take the train and they go to do their work. So basically in Netherlands, almost everybody has a bicycle. That's why when you come to Netherlands, it's like a must. You have to learn how to ride bicycle. See, I cannot able to show everywhere. But basically this is the bicycle area for Zwolle Train Station, the underground bicycles garage. I'm coming to enter the train station. So basically this is, they call it OV card, that you use to scan to enter. You scan here and you enter. So this is the train station of Zwolle, the inside. As you can see, you can go down there. You can go down here to go to the other pavilion of sport. The Dutch people call it sport. These are the trains that are going different locations. Train coming in and out. So this is basically the train station for Zwolle. This is Sport 1, Pavilion 1, and the other side here. So guys, let's go down. I'm going to use these stairs and go down and show you inside. Let's go down. So now let's go down. Down, down, down. You see the spot where you stand to it is above, and then you go down to change, because you cannot cross this side, so you have to come down. You have to cross this side, you come here, down here, and then you can locate the pavilion where you want to join your train. As you can see, you have here 1, and then here I have 3. Yeah, you can climb up and you go to the pavilion where you want to join your train. If you can remember, I was just at the other side here. It's a free piano, you can play if you want. So basically, this is the train station of Zwolle. This is also another number you can climb. You check your train and you know which number, and then you climb up and go and join your train. As you can see, people running to catch their train. I also have to catch train, but for now I'm just doing let's go upstairs. This is a lift if you want, but for now I'm just going upstairs to show you guys. This is the other side of the train station. As you can see, guys, I'm up the other side. I was over there. You see? This is the pavilion of the train station of Zwolle. I hope you guys enjoy. This is how the train station looks like here. Of course, this is the bus stop. And let's go down again and go out. You can go out from there. Yeah. So this is just a tour of Zwolle Train Station. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you have fun. Thank you for watching. You can come here and play free piano, just like how this girl is doing, if you want to. It's a free piano. It's almost in every train station in Netherlands. It's almost in every train station in Netherlands. Free piano to play. As long as you can able to play it, you go there, you sit and play whatever you want to play. So let's go upstairs again and end the tour of Zwolle Train Station. As you can see, let me just, this behind me, the train station. Okay, guys. I'm going out again. Those are the doors. I want to go to the city proper. Scan your card, go out and have fun.